Hey everyone. First and foremost, I want to say thank you. Thank you guys for the likes, for the shares, for the support. I never even thought it would be as much as it was so fast. So, thank you. So, with this, we started with the Windows 10 video editor, just like I did with the desk build video. It was real informative for somebody like myself who has no knowledge of video editing whatsoever. I was able to jump in there, cut up some scenes, mash them together. There wasn't really any transitions, and I actually started to use that Windows 10 video editor for this next video. The problem that I've ran into with that was there's no actual save option in that video editor. So whenever I open back up my computer, about half of my files were corrupt. So I had to start over. So that night I jumped on the internet. I found Movavi. It comes with a 7-day free trial, which I'm still currently in, testing it out. And one reason I went with this is because after the 7 days, I'm gonna need a video editor. This one right here was the cheapest one that I was able to find. This is somewhere around $40 for the software for this video editor. And I'm not sure if there's any upgrades once you buy it or anything like that. I'm still in the 7-day trial, but as of right now, I'm pretty impressed. For the intro on this video, I actually used what's called panzoid.com. It was a free intro maker. It was really cool. I was able to throw together in really small amount of time what I think is a pretty cool intro for this video, and then save it to my desktop and mash it in with the rest of my videos. So I like that option a lot, and I especially like that it was free. So Panzoid, thank you. Also for the music, we just picked the free tracks that come with your YouTube account already free. You just gotta click on it, search through, you can find free tracks that you can download straight to your desktop, and it literally says you can use this in any of your video edits. I mean, it's super cool. The only thing that stinks is I'm pretty sure there's 1,000,001 people just like me who are using these exact same tracks. So you either have to mash them up, kind of play with them a little bit, or just accept the fact that you're using the same tracks as probably 1,000,000 other people. That's what I've done, and I still think it looks good. Yeah, I've never seen prices jump so much as when I was shopping for items for my PC. So I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for the items, not because I'm trying to keep it a secret, but 95% chance the price has already changed. So yeah, if you guys are interested or you guys want to check out any of these products, I got everything off of Amazon, and I will provide the link in the description below. I really enjoy what I'm doing. It's kind of a nice little hobby, fun little pastime. So if you guys want to keep seeing more, like, share, let me know. And for now, yeah, let's get going. Hope you enjoy my PC build. You know, I've kind of come to the realization that if you just leave the camera rolling, you'll eventually catch some stuff that you want to keep, and then you just edit it together. So I'm kind of hoping that's what happens. The desk that I've been building is for this corner for our future PC. This is actually everything that I've bought. So I'm gonna run through all of these, kind of let you guys know what I have here. We're gonna open them up and we're gonna start to put this thing together. I don't know really anything about putting a computer together. I've never done it before. I honestly don't even know if this is all compatible. I think it is. Really, I've got my YouTube University degree on putting a computer together, and we're gonna do it together. I guess this is kind of like the final exam. All right, so our first piece here is the Tough Gaming motherboard. It's the B450 Plus. I think it's gonna be a good option with the CPU that we got, a Ryzen 5 3600 3rd gen processor. Unboxing. I'm gonna have, I guess, a little crinkling. I heard somebody do something like an ASMR video. I don't know what that stands for, and when he did it, it was kind of weird. So I'm not gonna do anything like that, I don't think. But you're probably gonna hear a little crinkling. but I'll do it fast, kind of like potato chips. Oh, there's stuff in here. There's stuff under the bottom. You gotta look in the box. You gotta look under everything. Because there's this thing. I think it goes in my case. Actually, I'm pretty sure it goes in my case. Like, I know it goes in my case. Ooh. I'm not sure what to do with them. But we're gonna figure it out. Promise you that. We need some instructions. I'll take the instructions all day. First box done, kinda. I mean, there's still some plastic around this stuff. You know what? Let me go get my supply. I'm not even ready. You see what I mean? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver, some zip ties, probably some snips for the zip ties. Some help. Drink of water. Be right back. Alright guys, so hey, while I was in the garage, I found some gloves. Just want to say this, never seen anybody wear gloves on any video that I've ever watched. I don't even know that I recommend it, because they're all like, make sure you don't touch this, make sure you don't touch that. Well, I know that your hands got oils, and that's probably not good for some of this stuff. So, I got gloves. Oh, be careful. You don't want to be down there snipping on stuff you ain't supposed to be snipping on. Hey. The bag's open. Alright. So this is pretty cool. You want to check it out? Alright, here it is. This is the... Yeah, see? Shit. Oh, check it out. See? See? I knew it would. But I got the... Alright, so here we have the cooler that comes with it. I'm so nervous. Alright, so I gotta raise that up, that little bar. You can't really see it on the video, it kinda looks like my fingers just floating, I think. Alright, so open her up. Oh yeah, that thing is so pretty. Okay. From what I've read, don't touch the gold. Like Aladdin, don't touch the gold. Oh, you want to, but you can't. There's got to be a little triangle somewhere. AMD, every video ever told me there was a triangle somewhere. Oh my God. It's the tiniest. Can you see it? It's like a little speckle. That's it. That goes in this one, in the top right. This is why people don't wear gloves, okay? Just don't wear them. I'm so nervous. They said just drop it. Just drop it. All right. Put this down. It's in there? It's in there. All right. I got my CPU on my motherboard. Next up, Shit, I don't remember. Hey guys, next up, we're gonna be sticking in our RAM, and I kind of went off-brand here, which I am a little nervous about. I did zero research. I figure RAM is RAM. I got it because it was cheap and because it looked cool. The box actually looks even cooler. It says Owl Memory Series. In Amazon, it said OLO lowercase y. Check it out. It came in real quick. No problems. Ooh, they're in separate boxes. Be careful when you open them up. They're nice orange color. Picked that myself. They've got an option that has 4 different colors. They come in red, green, black, and orange. I think only black and orange are available right now. $60 for 16 gigs of RAM. I didn't even practice that. I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit. It looks like they're gonna fit, guys. So I gotta look into my manual real quick. It's looking like I'm using 2 and 4, huh? That doesn't help me though. Oh yeah, they do. I'm colorblind, and this is even that easy. All right, you got black, gray, black, gray. In the manual, you got black, gray, black, gray. Check it out now. That's a definite. Take the sticker off. Patience. Work on it. All right. Only one way they go in. I know you gotta open these. All right. Only one side opens on this motherboard, folks. Does that mean that this doesn't slide? Uh-oh. I think the kids are home. All right, so what do we do here? Does this slide? Yes, that slides. This slides. All right, guys. This thing just kind of, you should maybe hear it snap. Let me see, all right, I heard the snap. Hey, baby. Oh, guess what? The kids are home. Close enough. Let's try to get the other one in before. I'm making a video, baby. Yep. This one's open. All right, that one was way easier to come out of the plastic. I should be able to get it in. All right. Yeah, we are putting the computer together, guys. We're not playing no games. Daddy is ready. All right. I'm pretty sure my RAM is in the computer. So, next, we're gonna go on to the aftermarket cooler that we got right here. I'm gonna open it up, but first, I'm gonna go say hey to the fam. I'll be back.